Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lovely egg mayo sandwiches. So I've got 6 eggs which I'm about to boil in my egg boiling machine, and you just have to add a little bit of water using this measuring jug. So I'm just going to measure it and pop the water in and start the machine. So I'm just turning on the machine after I've added the water, and then it's going to buzz when it's done. So here are the boiled eggs peeled, and I'm just going to add lots of mayonnaise and lots of salt and pepper once I've crushed the eggs. So I use a fork and knife to piece up the eggs like this, and like I said, I'm just going to sprinkle lots of salt and pepper to taste and about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So this is it all ready to mix up with a spoon, and there you see it's all ready. I like to add a lot of extra black pepper, ground black pepper, and then I've just used crust away bread and made them into finger sandwiches. Very tasty, very easy to make. It's best to use fresh bread. Wholemeal or brown is best with egg mayo sandwiches. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know which video you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and yep, I'll see you next time. Bye.